kids, as you all know that summer season is going on, right? So we all need a permanent fan with us. So today we are going to make beautiful fan. So if you are getting bored, collect your material and let's make a beautiful fan which is very useful in these summer hot days. So kids, as you all know that today we are going to make beautiful hand fans. For that you will need this kind of ice cream sticks. अगर आपके पास plain है तो आप plain भी use कर सकते हैं. Colorful is not mandatory. Then you will need this kind of printed sheet. अगर आपके पास printed sheets नहीं है तो you can use white sheet and color them with your favorite colors. You will need some glue. So first of all, what you need to do is कि आपको इसको fold करना है, fan fold. आप सबको fan fold आते होंगे. I hope आपने कभी ना कभी तो किया होगा. तो हमें इसको fan fold करना है. So let's start fan folding this sheet. So kids, as you can see, I have fan folded one sheet. Let's do the same with another sheet. So kids, as you can see, I have fan folded both the sheets. Now I'm going to fold it into half like this. And do the same with this one as well. So kids, now you need to tie both of these fans together, and for that I am using sellotape. So just hold it tightly and start taping it. Now what you need to do is you need to stick all the parts together. After pasting everything, you need to paste two of these ice cream sticks on the edge, on the ends. So let me just fold the whole thing together. Glue this area and then paste your ice cream stick over here. Do the same with another side. So as you can see, you can close your fan like this and you can open it like this. So your beautiful fan is all ready. So kids, I love this beautiful fan and you are definitely going to use it in this hot summer. So we will meet in our next video with another interesting and creative topic. Till then, bye bye.